Short description: HDBS-CAN hierarchical density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise is a density-based clustering algorithm that identifies clusters of varying densities and shapes in a dataset. It is particularly effective for datasets with complex structures and noise. Inputs: data: a numerical dataset, typically a NumPy array or pandas data frame, representing the data points to be clustered. Minimum cluster size: min cluster size, an integer specifying the minimum number of data points required to form a cluster. Outputs: cluster labels: an array of integers representing the cluster assignments for each data point. Points assigned to -1 are considered noise or outliers. Cluster hierarchy: a dendrogram-like structure representing the hierarchical clustering process, allowing for exploration of different cluster resolutions. Fine-tune parameters: minimum cluster size: min cluster size controls the minimum number of data points required to form a cluster. Minimum sample size: min samples determines the minimum number of data points within a neighborhood for it to be considered a core point. Metric: the distance metric used to calculate distances between data points. Common options include Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance, and cosine similarity. Challenges and fixes: Challenge 1: determining the optimal minimum cluster size can be subjective and impact the number and quality of clusters found. Related fix: experiment with different values for min cluster size based on domain knowledge and pay. Characteristics of the dataset: visualizing the cluster hierarchy can also provide insights into the optimal choice. Challenge 2: HDBS-CAN can be computationally expensive for large datasets. Related fixes: use techniques like dimensionality reduction, e.g. PCA, to reduce the number of features. Utilize efficient data structures and algorithms for distance calculations. Employ parallel processing or distributed computing for large-scale datasets.